What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play One Day by Nick D. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else one day I really will just punch you in the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is tuned a half step down. I am in E standard, so I'm technically a half step higher than the original song, but this is the easiest way to play it. You would tune your guitar half a step down and then play the exact same thing that I'm going to show you here. Again, I am just in E standard. To play along to the song, you're going to want to tune your guitar half step down and just play exactly what I'm playing here. It's just 4 different chords that repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an A major 7. It's going to be middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, index finger on the 1st fret of the G string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. And then a B minor 7, bar the 2nd fret with your index finger, starting on the A string. Your ring finger is going to go on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then a C sharp minor 7, same exact formation here, just move everything down 2 frets to 4, 6, 5. And then finally a D major 7. You're going to bar the entire 5th fret starting on the A string, ring finger on the 7th fret of the D, middle finger on the 6th fret of the G, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B string. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. So starting on the A major 7, you're going to pluck open A, and it's going to be the same thing for all the chords. You're going to pluck the A string and then up strum the B, G, and D strings, and then mute. B minor 7, C sharp minor 7. On the D major 7, you just down strum. So one more time, A, and then up strums. Same thing there. Same thing there. And then just one down strum on your D major 7. And then now to get back to the A, he plucks. So 5, 4, 2, and then back to the open A for your next A major 7. And it's quick. So altogether it looks like there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab if there's a guitar tab, or for a free CAPO or a free ebook. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.